So hello friends, welcome back, and in this video we are going to see Codeforces round 562, problem D. So starting off with problem D. Okay, so first of all I will explain the problem statement, what the problem says. So it says that they have made the self tree for them, a rooted tree for them, and the steps to make a tree are like something like this. If I have a node, suppose like this, so if it has no child, then suppose I will name it as level 1. Okay, so the tree name is level 1. The next level 2 tree I will make with the help of this level 1 tree. And if a node has no child, then I will add a node in it. If a node has one child, then I will add two more nodes in it. But as it has only one child, so I will add only one node. So for level 3 node, level 3 tree, I will see, first of all I will make same to same this, which means this. Now as in this tree it has one child, so I will add two more childs to it, and it has no child, so I will add only one child to it. So it is now made my level 3 tree. Now next tree which I make, suppose I will make a level 4 tree. How will I make that? I will make that, suppose I will first of all draw same to same the tree which is represented here. Then let me draw it. Then what I will do is, as it has one child only, so I will just, as it has no child, so I will just add one child to them. As it has one child, so I will add two childs to them, and it has zero child, so I will add one child to them. So by this help I will make my level tree. Now it is also said that suppose I have these nodes in some particular specific color, but what I will do is, suppose there is a claw. What is a claw? A claw is something like this. A claw is something like this, which has a node called center node, and then it has three childs. The upper, if it has some upper edge, then it is not called a child. Only the childs are called which are at the bottom. So it is, so the arrangement which is of these four nodes and something like this, it is called a claw. Now what they have said is, if initially every node is marked as green. Okay, every node is marked as green, so let me make it green instead of white. Okay, then what I do is, so let me mark it first of all, yeah, and this. So what I do is, I will have a claw, and if all its nodes are of the same color, which means if all its nodes are green, then I will mark the claw of all the nodes of that claw as yellow. So for my case I don't have yellow color, so let me mark it by white. So for, see, it has no claw, so answer is 0. It has no claw, so the answer is 0. Here it has one claw, as you can see here, so I will mark all its nodes by white. Now it has no remaining claws, and I marked how many nodes as white? 4 nodes. So my answer is 4, as you can see in this case. Now the same in, as you can see here, it has one claw here and one claw here. So it has in total claws are 2. So how to revert back? Let me erase this. Okay, yeah. So as I showed you that it has 2 claws. But if I mark any one of the claw as yellow, which means white in my case, so if I mark the claw nodes as white, so as you can clearly see that if I mark nodes of one claw as white, so now the nodes of another claw, one node is white, And to mark it also white, I should have all its nodes as of the same yellow of the same color, which means it should be green, all green, to mark it yellow. But as you can see here that I marked it yellow. Let me take yellow for you guys. Oh, then you will get, yeah. So I will mark them yellow. Okay. So as you can see clearly that to mark it yellow further, the claw should have all its green. But as you can see that one is yellow. So I am not able to mark the claw, which is this one, as yellow. So the answer for the level 4 is also 4. Now, for better understanding and to see like how actually it is working, let me make level 3 tree and level 4 tree again by having a green color. Now to make it more clear, I will make it bigger, because ultimately you will see that when I make the picture bigger, then it will be better understood, because I have to make up till level 6 for more understanding. So if I mark it like this, and for level 3, let me see, for level 3 it was, yeah, something like that. So it will be something like this. Okay. Now as you can see, okay, for first of all, make small here level 1, which is this, and level 2, which is this. Now let me make level 4. So how 4 will be made? It will be made something like this. So as you can see, it is already there. Now for this child, I will mark it like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Now let's make for level 5. So by level 5, you will clearly understand how the level tree is being made. So yeah, first of all, I am just redrawing the level 4, and then what I will do is I will just extend these nodes. Now I'm extending this nodes. Okay. So now as you can clearly see, first of all, the first intuition, which is, if you clearly see this particular tree, so it is clearly visible that it is only this particular tree, which is level 4 tree. So it is a level 4 tree. Now if you see this particular tree, so it is what? Let me scroll a bit. Yeah, so it is level 3 tree. Understanding? See, here it is and here it is. So it is a level 3 tree, and here it is a level 3 tree. Thus it is clearly visible that my answer of level 5 tree, which means this 5, would be equal to level 4 answer plus 2 into level 3 answer. Sorry, it is answer. Now, but it is not complete, because actually how will you choose the answer? See, while choosing an answer, here I have, let me change the color. Yeah. So here I have the claw this. So let me mark it like here the claw, which means the answer of 3 is 1. At last I will multiply by 4, because the number of nodes in a claw are how many? 4. So here my 1 represents the number of claws. Okay, but if you clearly see here, then I have the answer for 3, which was 1, and the answer for claw and the answer for level 2 tree was 0 0. So answer of 4 would be answer of 3 plus 2 into answer of 2, which is 1 plus 2 into 0, so it is 1. So you can clearly see that it is right. And to make it more clear, let me see for this. So see, answer of 4 was how much? Answer of 4 was 1. and answer of 3 was also 1. So answer of 4 is 1. Answer of 3 was also 2 into 1. So my answer was 1 plus 2, which is 3. And as you can see also, at last I said that I will multiply by 4. So as you can see in the answer, so the answer of 5 is also 12, which is 4 into 3. So the first mistake which you will do is that you will just apply the formula, which is this. But it is not like right, exactly right, but it is at most like 80% right. What is missing in that is we will find out by making a level 6 node. Okay, so to make a level 6 node, I have to actually copy this. Okay, maybe I would be able to copy. I don't know, I'm not good at copying. Okay, copy. Look, I won't be able to copy this. Let me redraw it. So why it is calling, why it is calling, why it is calling. Sorry guys, I don't know what is happening. So yeah, let me make the level 6 tree. So first of all, level for level 6 tree, yeah, it is something like this. I have to draw far because if I will not draw far, okay, I have to draw far as I said. So yeah, you can skip this part because I won't be able to skip in, like, because I won't be able to edit this video because it takes a hell lot of time to edit it. So yeah, you can skip this part. Don't watch it being drawn. Yes. So here I add, now it is done partially. Okay, I guess it is done. Just a small thing remaining. Yeah, now it is done. So as you can clearly see that it is a, so for level 6 it is a level 5. Okay, so it is a level 5 tree and it is a level 4 tree. It is a level 4 tree. So when we have these level trees, then see what will happen. In level 5 tree, what I was choosing, see, I was choosing, let me move it back. So I was from level 5. First of all, from level 5 I was choosing from level 4 and 3, and from level 4 I was choosing the node, either this node or node which was this. In level 3 I was choosing only node which was this. So in level 5 I was choosing node this, the claw this, the claw this, or the claw this. Okay, so these were the three claws. Now in level 5 also I will choose, in level 6 here I will choose a claw this, okay, and a claw this, okay, and a claw this, okay. So I will choose these claws. Very fine. Now similarly here also I will choose a claw this, and here also I will choose a claw this for level 4, as you can see. Now you can clearly see that these three nodes are still remaining. So I will make a claw of these also. because see, the here also the root is remaining, here also the root is remaining. So what I will do, I will make a claw of these. So you will clearly see that in level 3 the root was not available because it was already occupied in a claw. Same for root for 6 also. The claw was not available, the root was not available, the claw is available for the root as well. So it is clearly understood that when we have a multiple of 3, like for 3, 6, 9, then although I have level 4, level 5, level 4, but 1 also will be added when I will have a multiple of 3. Now, uh, let me check it. Why it is being slow? Yeah, it is everything okay. So now you might ask, see, Aryan, okay, it is fine that it is repeating, but you said that it is repeating because you knew it. But actually, see, I don't knew it. Why I said that? Because to make a claw, what we need a node and its 3 child. So how these 3 childs are obtained? When all these heads, suppose it is something like this, when all these heads are empty. So if you clearly see that the head for level 5 was empty, the head for level 4 was also empty. And as you can clearly see that in the level 6, I have level 4 head here and a level 5 head here. So to make a claw, I have these 3 child which are empty. And in next also, what will happen? I will have a level 7 node. Here the head also will be empty. In level 8 node, here the head also will be empty. But in ninth one, what will happen is when I make my tree, then here it will be level 7 1 which was empty. Here will be level 7 1 which was empty. Here will be level 8 1 which was empty. So it will make a claw. Thus, when I have multiple of 9, I will add a claw. 1. I will add 1 claw. Now, okay, the logic is completely understood to you guys. The final thing, how to compute it. As you can see that the t is less than n raised to power 4, n is less than 2 into n raised to power 6. So you are not able to run O of n also, because then you will run for O of n into t, so it will give TLE. O of n into t, so it will give TLE. So what you will do is you will pre-compute for all the n's before these cases, which means before running these cases you will pre-compute for all the n's. And as you can clearly see that for answer of n, it is completely dependent on answer of n minus 1 plus answer of n minus 2 into 2. And a special case, if n mod 3 is equals to 0, then I will add plus 1, else I will just write as answer of I is equals to answer of n minus 1 plus answer of n minus 2 into 2. So as you know that these kinds of things we do in DP, so you can also name it as a DP thing, like because you actually are having the help of previous two sums, or you can say answers, to find the answer for the next sum, next term. Thus it is a DP question, and to optimize it, see, if you apply simply DP then still it will not work. So to optimize it you have to pre-compute it before these test cases outside the T loop. Thus I will find my answer, and in O of 1 inside my loop of T I will print my answer. So I hope that you guys understand why I add plus 1. I made the whole picture for you, and why it's simply the answer like this, how the tree is being repeated inside another subtree as a subtree inside a tree. And as you can see that the answer could be large, so you have to just print modulo a particular number, that number. So let me quickly show you the code. So yeah, so as you can see, first of all, I input my cases, but before starting my while loop of t, I pre-computed my answer. As I know that dp of 1 and 2 is 0, dp of 3 and 4 is 1, although you can find this dp of 3 and 4 from this loop also, but still I let them as 1. From 5 to 2000, like 2 into 10 to the power 6 plus 8 to just to like for optional, you can just run the loop up to the particular limit also. So as I said that if I mod 3 is 0, then dp of I is dp of I minus 1 plus dp of I minus 2 into 2 plus 1. The 1 is added because one extra claw will be made, because the last two nodes, which means for dp of I minus 1 and dp of I minus 2, their roots were empty, and to make a claw I need 3 child which are empty, and the root was also empty. Else it would be dp of I equal to dp of I minus 1 plus dp of I minus 2. So the main thing which should strike your mind is you should make at least up to the level 7 to figure out what was actually happening, or you can make in your mind also, like actually what is happening. Okay, so and at every step I do it mod m. Here I define my m. Okay, and then I will just simply print dp of n into 4, because in one claw I have 4 nodes, so I will mark all those 4 nodes as yellow. So the number of nodes which are made yellow are dp of n into 4, and then mod m also as always. So I hope that you guys liked it, although it was just a one line code, but to explain like why we add plus 1 and how we think to add plus 1 is just I showed you. Okay, so I hope that you guys liked it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.